If you've ever wondered if a $230 aesthetic upgrade is worth it, let me show you. Today we're installing a brand new Moen kitchen faucet. Honestly, there's absolutely nothing wrong with my old stainless steel one, but we just upgraded our cabinets with these gorgeous bronze handles, and leaving a stainless faucet just felt wrong. Time to swap it out for a matching bronze setup. Step 1. Soap dispenser. We're starting with the soap dispenser. Drop the base right to the counter hole and lock it down from underneath with the mounting nut. Once that's tight, just drop the pump portal right into the top. Step 2. The faucet deck plate trick. Now for the main faucet body. My sink only has one hole, but I decided to use the 3-hole deck plate that came in the box anyway. I just think the faucet looks so much cleaner and anchor with the plate underneath it. Step 3. Tight spaces under the sink. Heading underneath, we're securing the faucet body using 2 mounting brackets. Spin the mounting nut onto the shank. Now, Moen includes this specialized hollow plastic installation tool in the box. Slide your screwdriver right to the side of it, and you can tighten that nut down effortlessly, even in the tightest, most cramped spaces under a sink. Step 4. Plumbing the pull-down hose. Next up is the pull-down hose. Feed it straight to the front of the spout, and thread the plastic hose guide onto the bottom of the shank underneath. Take the end of that hose and push it firmly into the water outlet port. Listen for that satisfying click, so you know it's locked. To make sure the sprayer retracts smoothly every time, snap the hose weight onto the line right beneath that yellow indicator mark. Step 5. Hooking up water and testing. To wrap up the plumbing, attach your hot and cold water supply lines straight to your shutoff valves. Give them a good tighten, and turn the water back on to test it out. And that is how you perfectly match your kitchen hardware. If this video helped you out, give that like button a tap and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next project.